Hey everybody, James Scarlett. It's Christmas time. We got Christmas Santa. Look at the keys. Say hi, Santa. 2 weeks, we can still ship them out. Let us know. Ho ho ho, everybody! Merry Christmas! Hey, if you need to burn some Benjamins before the end of the year, Saw Stop could be a great Christmas gift. So let us know. We got plenty in stock that can ship. This is just a fraction of our inventory. I think we might even have a used one too. So if you got to burn some money before Uncle Sam gets his hands on it, let us know. Section 179. Merry Christmas.